Good morning, good morning. Another day full of surprises. We have 2 boxes here to go over, Soft Squares and Missouri Star. And it's going to be really short today because I'm in a little bit of a time crunch. So we'll get straight on with it and we'll catch up with everything tomorrow. We're at box 9, day 9. Yay! Look at, they're both beautiful and boxy. I don't know, they kind of coordinate a lot today. I'm going to go with this big, beautiful blue box from Soft Squares. We're right off the top. Day 9. And I know it's day 9 because I listened to Lynn. And it's got this snowman. And there's the 9. And he's perfect right above there. Just snowman's facing upward. So is the 9. Here we go. Love it. B-Box, day 9. This pretty box has a very special gift inside. This is made by an artist on Etsy who has graciously offered us a discount at their shop as well. For more beautiful items. I gotta look at this beautiful item. I hope you will check out her Etsy shop where you will find coordinating items. You should post a picture to the Facebook group to share which one you received. Ooh, it's covered. It's got a beautiful cleaning cloth. Ooh, yes, nice. Good things come in little packages. Yes. Oh. I can't get this off. Oh, it's taped. Okay. Well, I'll just hold it up. It's a beautiful pendant with a quilt block in it. Can you see that? And this is a little sewing machine. Look at that. How cool is that? So adorable. That is so darling. That is wonderful. Oh my goodness. And we have 25% off at the shop. Now on this card here, it tells you what to do. This is amazing. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Oh, I want to wear it. This is great. Okay, and then I go to the shop and I can get the earrings or I don't know, pen or a bracelet or something that matches or coordinates. And oh, that would be so gorgeous. Or maybe just another one to wear sometime. This is amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's Soft Squares. Ooh, it's hard to move on. Okay. Number 9, because it says 9, it's facing, I'm facing the package upright as you'd open a package. So it's Missouri Star. Let's see what they have in their box. I've wanted one of these. I have wanted one of these. Oh, I have wanted one. I have one. I have wanted one and now I have one. Look at this. It is, what is it? Okay, I'll tell you what it is. Look at it. It is a bias tape toolkit. Yes. I finally started with instructions in it and how to use it. Different sizes. It's got the 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. And you can make single fold from 1/4 inch up to a 1 inch and double fold from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Oh my goodness. With the little tool and everything. Oh, what a wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Day 9. This is fantastic. Well, I'm on a time crunch, so I'm going to run. You have a very merry, joyful day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.